Well, the last time we were together, I think we replaced the flapper on the toilet. And things seem to be working okay. Kinda. Today, we gotta replace the Fluidmaster toilet fill valve because the toilet's running on. So what do you think is the first thing I should do? Turn the water off at the valve. Put a bucket down because, well, we're gonna get some water everywhere. Might as well go in the bucket. Flush the toilet so the tank will drain. Looks like the valve isn't closing all the way. Gotta shut it off outside. It's in here. The last time I did this, I reached in there without checking, and I had a handful of fire ants to deal with. Looks okay. Take a look. Let's give it a turn. Should be off. Yeah, that constant run-on that we're hearing tells me I probably need to replace that valve. But I'm not prepared to do that today, so I had to turn it off outside. Let's get this thing done, okay? Okay, it looks like it filled back up. We'll flush it again. Bring in your shop vac because you're going to need to suck the water out of that tank. And if you don't have a shop vac, go get a shop vac. I still see water coming in. That valve is not shut off. This will not end well. I told you there'd be water coming out of this thing. And most of that is because, well, the water is in the house and it's emptying out into here. And if you look up here, we'll unscrew that and we'll get that thing out. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, take the nut, screw this one back on. Go quick because this tank is filling up with water. Make sure you have that tight. And yes, there's water leaking. Okay, there's a little nipple right here. That's where that hose is going to go. And that'll go down in this way. That's for overflow to shoot down inside of there. Got to make sure this water is, or this nut is nice and tight. Okay, now it's time to get this back up to there. should be all hand tight. Hopefully you don't need tools. Look at how much water's in there. That's a lot. Coming outside to turn the water back on. Yeah, I can hear the water running. Let's turn this valve on. Doesn't seem like anything's leaking. Looks like it's working. Now, this will adjust how high this needs to go before it shuts off the valve. And quite frankly, I won't know until it's filled up with water. You don't want it to be any higher than your overflow here. You want it to be just below the overflow. Let's give it a moment and see where we end up. It just stopped. Well, we are well below the overflow. Let's flush it and see that it actually flushes stuff. Oh yeah, it does. Okay. And I don't have any leaks. This is good. Okay, now let's listen real quietly to see if we hear any run-on. Nope. All I hear is the ringing in my ears.
Fixed that leaking monster. Bumble pipes and quite the stew. Wrench and plunger took a dive, but hey, it's cool, we're still alive. Flush and dash and stash away. Tools go hide till another day. Monkey wrench and scrubby twists. See you soon, you won't be missed. Nuts and bolts all in a row, singing tales of overflow. Toilet tango, plumbing joy. Fix the throne, oh what a boy. Rubber gloves tossed in the bin. Victory for the porcelain. Toolbox closed with mighty snap. Job is done.
Yeah,
it's
everything
time to
hurts.
nap.
Everything. Everything hurts. Plumbing. I don't like it. Was that easy? No. Can you do it? Most likely. Pretty straightforward. Should you do it? Hire a plumber. We'll see you next time.